anybody out there that's saying, what should I do with my life? How am I ever going to make money? You're going to spend 20 years and then you're going to have to do some easy little job. You may as well take the time now while you're young, or you older people too. You can learn this thing and go out and just, people call you all the time, say, my door won't open, my door broke. This guy called me. I didn't know who he was. Just yesterday, I didn't know who this guy was. And he didn't know a week ago he'd be writing me a check for this. That's how it is all over the world. Nobody knows they're going to call a garage door guy till it happens. And you're the guy sitting there conveniently able to do it when they call you. That's all it is. You guys should get into the garage door business. If you're going to be in business, if you're going to take the plunge, if you're going to make good money, you're going to live a good life, a comfortable life, you have to make this kind of money. And there's no real other way to do it. I'm telling you. You're seeing me do it all the time. So I could have did this one job, paid for the course, and still made clear after paying for everything $800. You guys are letting that hold you back. So an hour or two of work is all it's going to take to get your money back. You're not even at risk. Don't hold your life up and act like it's a big dilemma to pay $1,499, because you make so much in this business that $1,499 is really a drop in the bucket compared to what you make. Anyway, I'm getting a call. Over and out. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.